days, homes are selling fast, and there are lots of buyers in the market. So if you find a place you like, you need to be able to make an offer quickly and confidently. The right approach and preparation can help. First and foremost, it's important to know your budget before you make an offer and head into negotiations. Be prepared to go over the asking price, but know your limit and be ready to walk away if other bidders exceed it. Do as much prep work as you can, like getting pre-approved for a mortgage. If you wait until after you make an offer, you'll likely already be behind another bidder. Give yourself every advantage you can by hiring a real estate agent to help you better navigate the current market. Having an expert in your corner can keep you competitive and allow you to act quickly. And don't underestimate the value of personal contact. Writing a note to the seller can make a real difference when it comes down to the final decision. Finally, remember to stay flexible. If possible, consider putting the closing date in the seller's court. This can make your offer far more attractive than those with hard deadlines because the seller will feel less pressure to move out and will have more time to make any necessary repairs. Buying a house is stressful, and the current market has escalated emotions further. But knowing your budget, doing prep work, hiring a real estate agent, making personal connections, and staying flexible can help you find your next home without going beyond your budget. Learn how Ally Home can simplify the path to home ownership on our website.